coming to you from Bowling Green, Kentucky, the home of America's favorite car, the Corvette. I'm here at the National Corvette Museum where they showcase the best of the best. If you love cars, you're not going to want to miss this. Let's go inside. The Bowling Green Corvette factory is the only plant in the world to build Corvettes. This manufacturing facility has produced over 1 million Corvettes since its startup in 1981. Although the 1953 Corvette started a legend that continued for more than 65 years, most car enthusiasts would agree that it became a true sports car in 1955 with a V8 under the hood. It was the model that saved the line after poor quality and performance from the 53 and 54 Corvettes nearly prompted Chevrolet to discontinue production permanently. The Chevrolet Corvette, colloquially known as the Vette, is a two-door, two-passenger sports car manufactured and marketed by Chevrolet across more than 60 years of production and 8 design generations. From 1953 to 2019, it was front-engined, and since 2020, it is mid-engined. On February 12, 2014, a sinkhole opened under the floor of the Sky Dome area of the museum at around 5:44 a.m. local time, causing a portion of the floor to collapse. The cars you see here are among the 8 rare, one-of-a-kind Corvettes that fell into the hole. Estimated damage to the cars was $1 million. With 115,000 square feet, the Corvette Museum has 80 Corvettes from every era since 1953 on display. The museum features a tremendous collection of memorabilia, films, and exhibits. There is something to appeal to visitors of every age. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please remember me for your real estate needs here in South Central Kentucky. Have a great day.